Hey guys, if you are looking to add features photos to your Facebook profile, then this video is for you because in this video I'll show you how to add features photos on your Facebook profile. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook mobile application. Here you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the option of three lines. You simply have to click on these and now you can see your Facebook profile name. Here you have to simply click on this and now you can see the option of edit profile right next to the add to story. If you guys don't see this option, then you simply have to click on these dots and the option of edit profile will be there. You simply have to click on edit profile and here you have to scroll down, and as you guys can see that there is an option named as featured. You simply have to click on try it. Here you have to select the photos which you want to be features on your Facebook profile. For the sake of this video, I am using these two photos, and after that you simply have to click on next. Here you have to add the cover for your features photos. For example, I am using this cover, and after that you have to click on use, and here you have to add the title for this photos. For example, I am adding, and after that you simply have to click on save. It may take a couple of seconds to be uploaded, and after that you simply have to go back to your profile, and boom, as you guys can see that the photos has been appeared. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to post feature photos on your Facebook profile. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.